Hey guys, Steven here, and today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it so if I click on this button, it's going to do something. And that's pretty much what we'd all want. And the first thing you want to start off by doing is going under all of this stuff and go button.add action listener. New action listener. And actually go ahead and start these guys right there. Make sure you import as you go along. Now inside of here, go public static void action performed. And in here, go action event E. Now import all of that. I must have misspelled. Remove static modifier. Make sure there's no static there. So this, everything in here will be activated. So if I go system.out.println button done got pressed boy, and I go ahead and click the button, look down in the console, and it says button done got pressed boy. Now I think the way the text thing works is like if you press enter, like a text. So if it says thang done got pressed boy, it means I pressed, yeah, if you press enter in this little box right here, it goes thang done got pressed thang. So I could go text box done got submitted. So what you could actually do is go public static. No, actually you want to do this outside. You can't create a function inside of a function. So I do a public static void submit. What I can instead do is go submit, and in here go system.out.println the form has been submitted. So now if I do either of those, if I hit enter or hit this button, we'll say the form has been submitted. And another thing I can do is go frame.dispose. Now this gets rid of the frame completely. Oh, yeah, that's one thing. You can't access variables that are created in a function outside of a function. So here, we're going to have to change it to a final modifier. That basically means it can't be changed and it can be accessed down in kind of nested little voids. So if I click the button, the thing will go away and it will say that. If I wanted to access the frame from outside in another thing, we would have to declare it somewhere like up here with our other variables. And I could go public static. And that will fix all of those errors and allow that to be done down there. So if I still hit it, it will get disposed. And another thing that's safe to do before you dispose it is go frame.getContent pane.remove all. So that if you ever reinstantiate the frame, which you can do, like if I go, I don't actually know, but if you go frame.set visible to true, it would like sometimes duplicate how many things you had on there. But if you got rid of this line, it would kind of re-add them, which is kind of cool. But if you don't want to ever reinstantiate the frame, just go ahead and use both of these lines. If you plan on reopening it, just keep that and go frame.set visible true. But I don't plan on reopening it, so if I hit that, the form has been submitted. So there's one other thing we can do is we can go JOption pane dot show message dialog, and we can go frame, and our message goes in here. So we could say you submitted the form. Thanks. So now if we hit submit, it should pop up a message, you submitted the form, thanks, and close it, and put the thing down there. If we wanted to get more complicated, we can go ahead and add a title. Form done, got submitted. If I do that, it'll say, actually it won't do anything yet, because you have to, I forget, is it, I think it's, no, let me make sure by looking, no, stop. We have object string int. Yeah, if you go back here and go J option pane dot default option and then add null at the end, that should go ahead and actually remove that too, but it'll also allow out the title. And you can change these like to a message property. There's no errors. Where's the error? No, wait. I don't know what your problem is. What your problem is? Oh, that's a string. I think if you put this at null as well. No. Okay, so J option pane dot information message. That's it. That would kind of display an informational message. Yep, that's what we had it at before. But I like the default option, because default option just shows that, and you can go ahead and X and it'll close it. Now you'll notice this thing is still running in the background for a little bit, and we can stop that by going system.exit 0. What the 0 basically says is there were no errors, just close the program normally. So once we do this, you'll notice it's instantly terminated. But if we don't do that, it waits a little while before it gets terminated. See that? So that'll kind of make sure it's not using up your memory. Like the instant it's terminated, it is gone and it's not reopening. So that's about it for this episode, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you enjoy my content, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.